Are you tired of not having enough money to buy the luxury things you've been wanting for years? Well, if so, you've came to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you the best online side hustles that will be making you a ton of money in no time. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because you don't want to miss out on any of these amazing side hustles. Now, for the first side hustle we have is creating an Instagram theme page. Now you may ask, what is an Instagram theme page? Well, basically, a theme page is where you post content of a certain thing and make your account all about that one thing. For example, if you like cats, you may make your page all about cats, or if you like makeup, you may make your page all about makeup. There are tons and tons of things you can create your page on that will make you money if you do it the right way. Creating a theme page on Instagram can make you a ton of money, and you're probably wondering, how do I make money? Well, there are multiple ways you can make money off of these pages. First, you can make posts with affiliate links on your page, and when someone clicks your affiliate link, you make a certain percentage off of each sale. Let's say your theme page is about dogs, and there is this brush that keeps them from getting hair all through your house. You then get the affiliate link of that brush and put it on a post on your page. Then, when another dog lover see that and think it's a cool product, they will click your affiliate link and purchase the item. Another way you can make money off of Instagram is getting paid brand deals, where you advertise a product for someone. This method can also make you a ton of money. The more of these affiliate links and brand deals you do, the more money you get over time, and that's what makes creating an Instagram theme page a great side hustle that you can start today. Now, for the second side hustle we have is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to make a ton of money on the side. There are many ways to dropship with spending money to start, or you can do it for completely free. If you're wanting to spend money dropshipping, you can dropship through Shopify, which is a site that you pay $30 a month for, so you can build your online store, and then you get a cheap item off of AliExpress and sell it for more on your website that you've created. You then keep the profit. Now remember, you also have to advertise this product. This can cost money depending on how you advertise. If you advertise through Facebook Marketplace or TikTok, you have to pay for these platforms to advertise your product for the time period you would like. Now, if you're looking to advertise for free, you can advertise through Pinterest, which costs no money at all. If you aren't looking to spend any money to start off with on dropshipping, you can go to free website makers like bigcartel.com and create your online store there. Then you find a winning product to sell from AliExpress and sell it for the profit on your store. To advertise this, to keep this way completely free, you will use Pinterest, and you spend absolutely no money dropshipping this way. Now, for the third side hustle we have is investing into stocks. Now you may ask, what are stocks? Well, basically stocks are something that represent you owning a piece of a company that sells them. Now let's say a company has 1,000 shares and you have 10 of them. That means you own 1% of the company. Now you may wonder, how do I make money off of them? Basically, you make money through capital appreciation. You're probably asking, what is capital appreciation? Well, capital appreciation is a difference in a stock market's price. It is the difference between the purchasing price of the stock and when you sell the stock. If you bought a stock for $15 and when you go to sell it is at $20, the $5 becomes tax and the rest is profit. Now let's say you had 100 of the $15 stocks. That means you would make $500 profit. Now there's some things you need to know about investing into stocks. It's not all about just investing into random stocks and hoping they'll do good and make you good money. I'm not saying you can't do that, but you need to invest a small amount of money in safe stocks consistently so that you always be up and not down. I recommend that before you purchase any type of stock that you do your research on it before you make the purchase. You don't have to do this, but it's a very good idea to do if you don't want to not gain any profit. Now you're probably wondering, well, what stock should I start investing into? Well, a couple good ones that you can keep investing into until you retire are Apple and Amazon. These are always going up and doing good, so I recommend these two to start investing into. Investing into stocks is a great thing to get into, and it's something that you need to start as early as possible because it can make a big difference in the long run. Investing is one of my top ways of making money and a great way for you to be able to afford the luxury in your life. Alright, with that being said, this video is coming to an end. If you try any of these methods in this video, please let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, stay tuned for next week's video, and stay safe.